Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Make a great choice today with the 2016 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.